them is crazy. I promise you. Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's gonna be real quick. This was off the random. I'm trying to get all the content that I could get, but check it out. Little BMW action again. Oh man, I'm coughing.
Good, bro.
All that. What's up?
What's up?
Air Matty Matt, man. Tell what's good, B.
What's goody, boy?
See, you got the meme about. Wow. It sounds good. Love the color. Ready to go for a ride? I haven't been in it. Okay. I told him to turn that music down. We don't want copyrights out here, man.
Oh, yeah.
All right. So, what do you got here, boy? You want to tell me what you got?
Just, you know, a regular BMW G80 M3, you know what I mean? 2023, you know? Just the good old stuff.
Okay.
Just a little tune on it, you know? Just for that power. You know? Yeah, boy!
This guy, bro. So, yeah, M3 competition right here. You got a select package, right? For this?
Yeah, got everything. Premium package.
Hold on. Oh my God. Yo! Yo!
Yo, what happened?
What in tarnation is this? Evo got no chance. Oh man, Evo got no chance. I might as well just tell Rafe to just put a built block in it. Oh man.
You know, M3's something different, man.
Yeah, I don't think he wants to unveil how much power it is, but from the looks of that pull, I'm just gonna give you the guess. This might not even be the answer. I'll give you a guess. Has to be somewhere past 700, 800 horsepower easy.
Nah.
Somewhere.
Ain't no way. Ain't
Somewhere.
No way.
Wow.
It's more like a...
It's angry. That's an angry car, bro. It's so aggressive. It's crazy. I haven't seen nothing like this in a while, so he took me out the house, man, and
nice little clean, you know.
You know, when the car is down again and again and again and again.
Nice little 600 horsepower, you know what I mean?
Something like that.
Yeah, boy. With that little baby tune, you know? Nothing crazy.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
So you customized this car yourself, right, from BMW?
Nah. I bought it like that.
Yeah?
Yeah, bought it like that, you know? Struggle real.
Yeah.
Struggle real.
Lying like a dog. This is like top secret in the USA with a German car. It don't make no sense.
Yeah, bro, you know? When you own a BMW, you broke. Yeah, it takes all your money. All your money.
I think a lot of these cars takes all of our money.
Oh, yeah. I'll be broke in this, man. Been a while.
What the hell? Let me roll the window down, cause like I gotta hear it. This is crazy.
Crazy, you know? Little something.
This car is fast. What have you created?
This is a monster, man.
This is definitely competition.
Yeah,
more like no competition.
That comp, you know what I mean?
Wow.
Nice little comp, you know? Imagine if it was pushing more power, man. That would be crazy.
I don't even think you'll be able to drive the car in the street at this point.
No little 600 horsepower ain't nothing on these, man.
Yeah, 600 horsepower.
They move quick, man.
Yeah, 600 horsepower. This guy is on crack.
Yeah, for real. These joints look, they move quick, man.
You've probably been driving all around the town, wasting gas.
Yeah, man, I just filled up, man.
Yeah.
This joint just...
Oh, we at half tank already? We just got here,
I'm
man.
on E.
Yeah.
You know? Nice little intake downpipe tune. These joints be going crazy, man.
Yeah, that's the thing about BMW. I mean, yes, everybody has them, but do I understand why a lot of people go for the BMW and the easy access power? Yes. I mean, look, y'all Beamer boys is crazy. Y'all make crazy power with a downpipe and a tune, and that's it. It's wild. You still don't got me convinced though. Nah, I respect them. I respect all the Beamer guys, man. Shout out to the Beamer guys that just putting down that crazy power with less effort than most. It's crazy, man. Was this all you got for the summer? You gonna get some new wheels? What are you thinking, man?
Man, I don't know. Beamer life is expensive, you know? It's expensive. It ain't no little you know, $300 is an expensive hobby. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
We gotta bring up our subscribers, you know? Make sure y'all like, follow, subscribe. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Look me up, Air Matty Matt. You know?
Congrats to this, bro. I'm happy for you because this is success right here.
Appreciate that, brother.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, bro. That Beamer life is different. Once you get that power going, you get an M. I feel like, all right, the 335 boys is wild. Yes, the 335 boys or the M package boys is wild too. 440, you know. But that M, once you get M3 or something like that, bro, the power on them is crazy. I promise you. It's a crazy feeling. I don't care what nobody says. Here we come though. You almost had me convinced. I was about to go to the dealership tomorrow. And just take a look. I love this color, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. This is definitely a unique color for this car, bro. Yeah, honestly, you don't even need to change the wheels. Wheels look nice as is. Got a nice little piece here, man. Nice little piece. Whew.
How's it sound from out there? Loud?
Yeah, it's pretty loud, bro. Not gonna lie.
Yeah, it's loud as shit.
You good to go.
Say what's up to my barber real quick.
Yeah, say what's up to your barber. Tell him to pull up and run that fade.
I need a cut, bro. Probably get ready.
I mean, yo, the seats is even fire too. BMW definitely, I mean, they always had some luxury stuff, but they upgraded in here, man. So this is luxury? Luxurious?
Luxurious.
Luxurious. Luxurious.
Yeah, I had to, you know, schedule my cut real quick. Schedule it up.
Do a burnout!
You know, we gotta schedule the cuts, you know what I mean, bro?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but
What was that about getting gas?
Yeah.
What we doing?
Empty. We on that.
Gotta get some gassy gas.
You know what I mean?
Just got in the car, it's already out of gas.
And
You must have run around the town like twice before you came and picked me up.
tell you. Heck yeah.
Remember that SpongeBob you want to see me do? Want to see you do it again? Weed. Now, all jokes aside, his barber really got some heat too. So I can't even say nothing. His barber's like, it's cute. I'm an old man. He must got like some 2300 horsepower Dodge Viper somewhere hiding for you.
Sheesh.
Somewhere. Nah.
Somewhere.
Nah, just bluffing. I don't know what he got, but he got something. So Matt, you got the Competition M3, right? Why didn't you get the Competition 5? What's your opinion on not getting the Competition 5 versus getting this? Even though they're both nice, but obviously everybody goes for the 5 because of the power band and what that holds down with that twin turbo V8.
It's like driving a boat.
Yeah, but that's a fast boat. Never been in a fast boat?
I mean,
We ain't talking Challenger, Hellcat, you know what I mean?
bro,
But we talking Beamer boat.
I don't know. I like. I think they out, bro. Can't get no gas.
Isn't that working?
No working. Let me try the other side.
At least you got 70 cents. Shit makes no sense.
Alright, no more pools today.
That's it for the pools.
That's it to have the pools today.
Alright. Good job. Wasting more gas. Yeah. Thought I was gonna say good job. Yeah. Wasted gas.
I need more gas for the whole week, bro.
Man, this color though, it's nice. I don't know, have I seen a Evo in this color before? I don't think so. Personally, like I said, all jokes aside, this car is different. It's one thing when you go down the street in a car that doesn't weigh that much, and yes, it's a wild feeling as well, but like the comfort and the aggressive speed is wild. And obviously when you're not sitting in a car like that all the time and you just come in the car and like boom, you want to feel this power, it's a different feel. So it's dope. This is dope.
Yes, sir.
A lot of things coming. Alright, y'all, so there you have it with the BMW. Just wanted to give you guys a little short ride experience with me, because I don't get to drive these cars, and every time I get like moments to do something, I gotta record something. So shout out to Air Matty Matt. Go give him a shout out. Subscribe, like, comment on his stuff. Of course, subscribe, like, comment on my stuff. I'm gonna put his link in the description below, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out, y'all.